Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a workspace on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're leaving a company and they work on Asana and you want to go ahead and leave their workspace. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Asana account. Next, you're going to click on the upper right-hand corner, your profile icon name. Then click on Settings. Then click on Account, then go ahead and scroll all the way down, and you're going to see this option here that says Remove me from this workspace. So click on this, and this is going to remove yourself from the current workspace that you're in. Now keep in mind that there are multiple ways to actually leave a workspace, but this is just one of them. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and leave a workspace on Asana. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.